you find out that you've got cancer, you want comfort. You want to be warm, you want to be cozy, you don't want to be hot. Things happen, okay? Life happens, things go crazy. I saw this on the internet. It was like, I want this, I need this. This is a big oversized hood. I feel like I'm going to be in Lord of the Rings or something with this hood. It's great, it's fine, I can hide in it. I can pretend I don't see people. I can put it at the right thing. I've got cancer, I don't have hair. I want to keep this covered up. And this is nice, this is the Traveler. I got a little pocket here. I got a little pocket in the kangaroo pouch. I got pockets all over. But my hoodie came before my pants. So I'm opening up my pants today. And this is from the Comfrt set, and this is the Traveler set. Let's see if I can open this up without cutting into it. Because I'm kind of klutzy right now. I'm going to put my hood up. I like the hood. I can't wait till I can travel again. That's one thing bad about cancer. You can't go anywhere. But I'm looking forward to going. Okay. Now, so when you get the Comfrt, they come in this nice, reusable Ziploc bag. When you travel, you can put your clothes in here and put them in your suitcase. And you can wear this while you travel. So here are the matching sweatpants. They've got pockets here. They got 2 pockets in the front. And they're nice and deep. You could put your phone in it. You could put your wallet in it. You could put money in it and not have to worry about it falling out. You got a little pocket in the back here and it zips. And it's deep. You want to see how deep? I'm going to put my hand in it. Just let me get it unzipped. Ah, look at that. All the way up to my wrist. And there's a little pocket in here. A little tiny pocket inside. So you could put coins in there and not have to dig around in your butt to find the coins. It's in a nice little spot. These are nice. These are wonderful. They are going to be warm and cozy. And they've got the little elastic at the bottom. What else you're getting? I got this little thing so I can share my unboxing with you. I unboxed the hood earlier. And I got a couple of more things. I have a reminder that I am in control. I have the power to bring my own peace. And you know what? Having cancer, you want comfort. You want to be warm. You want to be snug. You want to have pockets. When you don't have cancer, you want to have pockets. Women's clothes don't have pockets. These have pockets. And then I get a little card. Gives me 15% off my next order if I tag them in this video. I'm tagging you in the video. I'm warm. And I got pockets. I got one here. I got one here. I've got a kangaroo and then zip pockets on both sides. And then I got a pocket here that zips. So I've got places I can hide things and forget about them later and then find them and then be happy because I found money that I forgot I'd put in one of those pockets. Give me pockets. Thank you, Comfrt. You gave me pockets. And I'm warm.